What if I told you that you can turn your home into a colorful blooming garden, using plants that are almost impossible to kill? Even if you've failed with plants before, even if you think you have no green thumb, these flowers will still grow, bloom, and thrive right in your home or balcony. From powerful tropical blooms to sweet-smelling flowers that fill your room with fragrance, today you'll discover the easiest flowering plants you can grow at home with almost zero stress. Some of them survive heat, some survive neglect, and some even bloom all year long. So if you want a home that looks beautiful, feels fresh, and smells amazing naturally, keep watching until the end because number 6 might surprise you the most. Number 1. Hibiscus. The tropical beauty, hibiscus, is one of the most rewarding flowering plants you can grow at home, especially in warm climates. It produces large, colorful blooms that instantly make any space look like a tropical paradise. The best part is that hibiscus is very easy to care for. It loves sunlight, so placing it in a bright balcony, garden corner, or near a sunny window is perfect. With regular watering, about 2 to 3 times a week, it stays healthy and keeps producing flowers. Another great thing about hibiscus is how fast it grows. Even small plants can start blooming within a short time if conditions are right. You don't need expensive fertilizers. Simple compost or organic plant food works perfectly. Pruning the plant occasionally helps it grow bushier and produce even more flowers. Hibiscus also attracts butterflies and bees, bringing life and movement to your garden space. The flowers come in many colors like red, yellow, pink, and orange, making your home visually stunning. It's also used in teas and natural remedies in some cultures. If you are a beginner, hibiscus is one of the safest plants to start with because it forgives small mistakes and still rewards you with beautiful blooms. Number 2. Marigold, the easy blooming champion. Marigold is one of the easiest and fastest flowering plants you can grow at home. It is known for its bright yellow and orange flowers that instantly add life to any garden or balcony. One of the biggest advantages of marigold is that it grows quickly from seeds, making it perfect for beginners who want fast results. This plant loves sunlight and thrives best when it gets at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sun every day. It does not require complicated care routines. Regular watering is enough, but be careful not to overwater, as marigold prefers slightly dry soil compared to many other plants. Marigolds are also very useful in the garden because they naturally repel insects and pests. This makes them not only beautiful but also practical. Many people plant them near vegetables or other flowers for protection. They bloom continuously for months, especially if you remove dead flowers regularly. This simple process, called deadheading, encourages more blooms and keeps the plant looking fresh and full. Another great benefit is that marigolds can grow in pots, garden beds, or even small containers. Whether you have a big yard or a tiny balcony, marigold will fit perfectly and brighten your space effortlessly. Number 3. Jasmine, the fragrant home. Flower jasmine is one of the most loved flowering plants in the world because of its strong, sweet fragrance. Even a small jasmine plant can fill your home or balcony with a calming, natural scent, especially in the evening when its aroma becomes stronger. This plant can grow as a bush or climbing vine depending on how you train it. It prefers warm weather and plenty of sunlight, making it perfect for tropical regions. Regular watering is important, but jasmine does not like soggy soil, so good drainage is essential. Jasmine flowers are usually small and white, but their fragrance is what makes them special. Many people plant jasmine near windows, doorways, or outdoor sitting areas so they can enjoy the scent daily. One of the best things about jasmine is that it blooms multiple times a year when properly cared for. Light pruning helps the plant grow healthier and produce more flowers. You don't need advanced gardening skills, just basic care and consistency. Jasmine is also symbolic in many cultures, representing peace, love, and purity. Growing it at home not only improves your space visually but also emotionally, creating a relaxing atmosphere that reduces stress naturally. Number 4. Periwinkle, Vinca. The hard-to-kill flower periwinkle, also known as Vinca, is one of the toughest flowering plants you can grow at home. If you often forget to water plants or don't have much gardening experience, this is the perfect choice for you. This plant is highly resistant to heat, drought, and poor soil conditions. Even in tough environments, it continues to bloom beautifully in shades of pink, white, and purple. It is truly a survivor plant. Periwinkle grows well in both pots and garden beds. It does not require frequent watering. Once or twice a week is usually enough. In fact, overwatering can harm it more than underwatering, so less care is often better. It blooms almost all year long in warm climates, making it a constant source of color in your home. It also spreads easily, filling empty spaces quickly and creating a lush flower bed effect. Another advantage is that periwinkle does not attract many pests, so you don't need to worry about constant plant protection. If you want a plant that gives you beautiful flowers without demanding much attention, periwinkle is one of the best choices you can make. Number 5. Bougainvillea, the color explosion. Plant Bougainvillea is a stunning flowering plant that can turn any wall, fence, or balcony into a vibrant display of color. Its bright pink, purple, red, or orange bracts create a dramatic visual effect that looks almost unreal. This plant is extremely strong and thrives in hot, sunny conditions. In fact, the more sunlight it gets, the more it blooms. It is perfect for tropical climates and is commonly seen in beautiful outdoor landscapes. Bougainvillea requires very little water once established. Overwatering can actually reduce flowering, so it is best to let the soil dry slightly between watering sessions. It grows as a climbing vine, so it needs support like a trellis, fence, or wall. With proper guidance, it can cover large areas and create a natural floral curtain. Another amazing feature is its long blooming period. With proper sunlight and minimal care, Bougainvillea can bloom several times a year, making it one of the most rewarding decorative plants. If you want a bold, eye-catching plant that transforms your home exterior into a tropical paradise, Bougainvillea is the perfect choice. Number 6. Peace lily, the indoor elegant flower piece. Lily is one of the most popular indoor flowering plants because of its elegant white blooms and ability to grow in low-light conditions. Unlike most flowering plants, it does not need direct sunlight, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. This plant is also known for improving indoor air quality. It helps remove toxins from the air, making your home feel fresher and cleaner naturally. This is why many people keep peace lilies indoors, not just for beauty, but also for health benefits. Peace lily prefers moderate watering. The soil should be kept slightly moist, but not soaked. When it needs water, the leaves will droop slightly, making it easy to know when to care for it. It blooms several times a year under the right conditions, producing white flower-like structures that last for weeks. Even when not blooming, its deep green leaves add a calming, decorative touch to any room. It is also one of the easiest indoor plants to maintain, making it perfect for beginners who want something beautiful without stress. If you want a peaceful, elegant plant that improves both your home and mood, peace lily is an excellent choice. So there you have it, 6 of the easiest flowering plants you can grow at home, even if you're just starting out. From the tropical beauty of hibiscus to the calming elegance of peace lily, each of these plants brings something unique to your space. The best part is, you don't need to be an expert gardener to enjoy them. Just a little sunlight, basic care, and consistency. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which plant you want to grow first. And remember, your home can always become greener, fresher, and more beautiful starting today.